Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the brand new 2025 BMW X4, a luxury crossover coupe that blends sporty performance with elegant styling. If you're in the market for a vehicle that delivers a dynamic driving experience and premium features inside and out, the 2025 X4 might just be what you're looking for. Right off the bat, the exterior design is a head-turner. BMW has refined the coupe-like silhouette with more sculpted lines and an aggressive stance. The kidney grills are slightly slimmer and more angular than the previous generation, giving it a more modern and athletic look. The LED headlights are sleek and come with adaptive features, while the rear end features 3D LED taillights that wrap nicely into the tailgate. Depending on the trim, you'll get either 19-inch or optional 21-inch wheels that really complete the sporty appearance. The M Sport package adds extra styling elements like gloss black trim, larger air intakes, and sportier bumpers that enhance the car's road presence. Step inside the cabin and you'll immediately notice how luxurious and driver-focused the interior feels. BMW continues its tradition of using high-quality materials, soft leather upholstery, and finely detailed trim. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, dominated by a large curved display that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen, all running on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. The interface is responsive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and optional upgrades like heated and ventilated seats or a Harman Kardon sound system elevate the experience even more. Rear seat passengers also get good legroom for a coupe-style SUV, and the cargo space remains practical at around 19 cubic feet, expandable to over 50 cubic feet with the rear seats down. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the 2025 X4 truly shines. The base model, X4 xDrive 30i, comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 248 horsepower, capable of doing 0 to 60 mph in about 6 seconds. But if you're craving more thrill, the X4 M40i is where things get serious. It's powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with a mild hybrid system, delivering 382 horsepower. This model can rocket from 0 to 60 in just around 4.4 seconds. Both versions come standard with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission that's smooth and responsive. Handling is precise, steering is sharp, and the overall drive feels both sporty and composed, whether you're navigating twisty roads or cruising on the highway. As for the pricing, the 2025 BMW X4 starts at around $58,000 for the base xDrive 30i model, while the more powerful M40i version begins at approximately $67,000. With additional packages and options, the price can easily climb beyond $75,000. It's definitely a premium vehicle, but you're getting a blend of performance, luxury, and technology that's hard to match in this segment.